Welcome to another video from First in Architecture. In this short video I'm going to show you how to insert a CAD block into your drawing. So I have a selection of CAD blocks that we've already got available for free on First in Architecture, and we're going to look at how we put them into a completely blank drawing. So the first way you can do this is super simple. This is going to be really fast to show you how to do this. You just go to Insert and you select Block. And then you need to navigate to where your blocks are saved. So I would browse, find the blocks I wanted to put in, click Open. And then you get an option here to explode the block. I'm not going to do that, and I'm going to show you why in a second. And then we can just click this little down arrow to see what our other options are. So your insertion point, I'm going to specify this on screen, but if you wanted it to be inserted to particular coordinates, you would enter them here. You can enter it at a certain rotation. Again, I'm going to leave it as the angle of 0. You can always rotate them later, in my opinion. I'm going to leave the block units as unitless, and the scale factor I'm just going to put in as 1. So I'm going to click Insert. Okay, ignore that, this wouldn't usually come up. And now I am getting the option to place the block where I want it. Now this is a whole set of blocks. And as I click it in place, you can see that it's inserted it as one block. Now if I'd selected Explode Block in that previous pop-up box that we had, that would have then inserted this slightly differently. It would have inserted individual blocks. So I'm going to explode this now to show you the difference. So I'm going to select that and press X for Explode and Enter. And now you can see that each block is an individual block in its own right, rather than all of them being ballooned together into one individual block. So that's one way you can do it. However, you sometimes find that, okay, you don't want to insert maybe a whole set of blocks that I've perhaps put on the website that you've downloaded, and you maybe want to just select one or two. So I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to open the block file as if you've just downloaded it from my website, and say, for example, you wanted to insert this into a drawing. Now, it's a simple copy and paste. I'm on a Mac, so the way to do that on a Mac is select the block you'd like to copy, and you press Ctrl, Shift and C, and then it asks you to specify a base point. You don't need to be too particular about this, but I'm just going to click anywhere on that block. And then I'm going to go back into the drawing I'd like to insert the block into, and I'm literally going to press Ctrl V for paste, and I'm just going to paste that one block into my drawing rather than inserting an entire collection of blocks into the drawing. And if you highlight this, you can see over here that we have a block reference. Its name is down here, FIA Lin 19. So it's inserted as a proper block. It's on layer 0, and it's just as simple as that. So you can either copy and paste using Control, Shift and C, and then Control V to paste. Or you can go up to your Insert menu and click Block and follow the instructions from there. Simple as that.